Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the Emission System Problem Light on the Honda Pilot. Each piece of information I'm about to share has been verified by mechanics here at the shop, owned by a trusted friend who provided me with all the possible solutions for this issue. In Hondas, when that warning message, Emission System Problem, appears, it basically means that something in the system responsible for controlling engine emissions isn't working properly. This system includes sensors, valves, the catalytic converter, the EGR, and the EVAP system. Also, this problem is more common than it seems in these vehicles, and I have to tell you that the mechanics here recommend checking the gas cap, since many times it's either loose or damaged. You should also check the oxygen sensor because if it fails, the engine starts consuming more fuel. To find out if it's defective, you'll need to scan the vehicle. If none of these fix the issue, you should service the EGR valve and check the filters, sensors, and hoses. Something very important you should know is that if you keep driving like this for weeks, you could damage the catalytic converter or increase fuel consumption. Plus, the car might go into limp mode, where it loses power. And finally, here's a warning. Don't erase the light without fixing the actual problem. It will come back.